Welcome to Council Craft. Today, I'm spilling all the secrets for the ultimate bridal makeup routine, perfect for your big day. Let's dive right in and start with pre-makeup skincare. First, cleanse and hydrate. If you have oily skin, go for a gentle foaming cleanser to zap that excess oil. Dry skin? Grab a hydrating cleanser to keep it plump. For sensitive skin, stick with a fragrance-free option to avoid irritation. I recommend Best Gentle Cleanser Name for a balanced, glowing face. Next, exfoliate a couple of days before the wedding. Use a gentle chemical exfoliant like AHA Bae or an enzymatic exfoliator to reveal fresh, smooth skin. My go-to is Best Gentle Exfoliator Name. Hydrate and plump your skin with a lightweight serum. Dry skin beauties, try a hyaluronic acid serum. Oily skin friends, niacinamide serum is your BFF. Best Hydrating Serum Name gives an instant glow. Lock in that moisture with a lightweight yet nourishing moisturizer. Avoid anything too heavy. Best Bridal Moisturizer Name is amazing for this. And for daytime weddings, don't forget to apply a lightweight SPF like Best Bridal SPF Name. No flashback guaranteed. Alright, on to makeup. Start with a primer. Oily skin? Use a mattifying primer. Dry skin? Hydrating primer all the way. Best Longwear Primer Name is a must-have. Apply a full coverage foundation with a matte or satin finish. Blend it with a damp beauty sponge for that airbrushed look. I swear by Best Bridal Foundation Name. Now conceal and set with a loose powder to avoid creasing. Best Bridal Concealer Name and Best Setting Powder Name are your best friends here. Define your brows with a pomade or pencil. Natural look? Go for a pencil. Bold look? Pomade is key. Best Brow Pomade Name all the way. For eyes, blend neutral tones like champagne, taupe, or rose gold. Best Neutral Eyeshadow Palette Name offers perfect shades for a timeless look. Add false lashes, wispy for soft glam or voluminous for drama, and use a smudge-proof eyeliner. Best False Lashes Name and Best Waterproof Eyeliner Name are essentials. Contour and blush next. Use a cool-toned contour and a peach or soft pink blush. Best Contour Palette Name and Best Bridal Blush Name are my picks. Highlight cheekbones, nose, and cupid's bow with a finely milled highlighter. Best Bridal Highlighter Name gives a beautiful, soft glow. Finish with a long-lasting matte lipstick and outline with a matching lip liner. Best Wedding Lipstick Name stays put all day. Finally, lock it all in with a setting spray. Matte for oily skin, hydrating for dry. Best Setting Spray Name keeps you picture perfect. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate bridal makeup routine for a flawless, long-lasting finish. Comment below with your favorite bridal makeup trick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.